Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be taking a tour of the master planned community located at Tamarron West. This home is called the Kingston and is 2,031 square feet with 4 bedrooms and bath. Let's check it out. So we're just coming inside, and this is a 1-story floor plan, and the builder here is Dr Horton. The community, you guys, has a lot to offer. There is a community center that has a brand new amazing pool and splash pad and park, walking trails. I mean, this community is going to be really beautiful once it's all completed, but everything as far as the amenities is already open. You can see the high ceilings here. Bathroom for the 2 bedrooms in the front of the home. So yeah, let's take a look at this 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, and 2-car garage. And I really like the layout of this plan. It's so open. And the nice thing when you build with a builder, you have the option to do upgrades to the carpeting, to the flooring, and everything like that. Also your countertops. And so you have the option to make a lot of your own selections, and definitely we can discuss that further as far as how that process works. But enjoy the tour, and yes, reach out if you have any questions or interested in learning more about this home or any of the homes in the community.